Welcome to another video from Excellent Cat. My name is Ajay Anand. In this video, I will explain how to unpivot data using Power Query in Excel. Sorting or filtering is not that easy when data is in report format like this. Moreover, pivot tables also are not friendly with data in report format. So to unpivot this data, other ways to convert this data into its simplest form, select a cell in this dataset. In the Data tab, from Table/Range, create table. Now to unpivot the data in these three columns, except the first column, select the first column. In the Transform tab, unpivot columns, unpivot other columns. Data in the columns have been unpivoted. We'll change the column header, month, sales. Now to load this data into the Excel worksheet, Home tab, close and load to existing worksheet. We'll select the cell J2, OK. And here is the simplest form, otherwise the pivot table friendly form of this data in report form. Let me add some more data to the source table. Copy, paste. Right now we have the details from January up to March. And when I refresh this table, we have the details up to June. You can also visit the website of Excellent Cat to read my blog post on Power Query. Hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any video releases. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.